Everybody, it's Alicia McPeek and my brother, Coach Zach Marcy. Welcome. Oh, I guess I should put it on like dual view so people can see both of us. How about that? Yeah. Okay, so
he always makes this about her.
Yeah, that's what it is. I make it about me.
Sibling rivalry every damn time.
So now we're beside each other, both of us. Okay, so we got something really exciting today. I know you guys have all been waiting for this. We are going to tell you, well, first we're going to tell you a story, and then we're going to tell you exactly how to sign up for the 7-day free Metabolic Mastery Accelerator program. No, I said that backwards, didn't I?
Midlife Metabolic Accelerator.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I'm the one that comes up with all the clever names.
Yes.
All the actual content, that's Alicia. I just come up with a name.
That isn't true. I do make some of the graphics, but that's it. Okay. So anyway, so Zach, tell us a story. How about a testimonial?
Let me, of course I haven't figured out how to accelerate my vision. Just 2 days ago, I did an interview with a pilot that is currently going through the Midlife Metabolic Mastery program. And Mr. Rob, the pilot, I'll release his testimonial. We got it on video. One of the things that he could not do for the longest time was break 200 pounds. So he'd come in, he's been beat up. Like he tried everything. Every time he started doing something, he would get injured. And next thing he knows, it would stop him. And I hear this over and over again. Like people want to get the results, wind up getting chronically injured, get the momentum going, boom, injury pops up, starts getting into things and get exhausted or busy or whatever happens. And it's the constant yo-yo. It's the constant, maybe you listening to this right now, you kind of identify yourself within these stories. But this is basically what happened with Rob. Rob's a pilot. He runs red eyes a lot because he gets paid more for them. It's just, he's in this constant state of eating out of a suitcase, living basically on the road, and never really truly having a routine that he could find that would get him to the point that he wanted to be at. Well, fast forward to the time that we just did his testimonial, and I'll release that here within the next couple of days. Rob has lost 22 pounds in 8 weeks. Rob is 197 pounds, starting at, I want to say 12. You guys do the math. My brain is not functioning right now. You can do the math on that one.
We're pouring our heads into the program.
I probably said it wrong, but I know he's at 22 pounds lost and he's at 197 pounds. Add 22 to 197. That's where he started in just 8 weeks. And more importantly, what happened was he's stopped chronically under eating. He's stopped chronically over exercising. Well, he kind of dinged his shoulder training for a swim race. He chronically stopped cutting out carbohydrate. He stopped chronically running his body into the ground. And what he's done is what we're about to take you through here in the Midlife Metabolic Accelerator, which is getting you stronger, feeding your body properly, so then you can see results. And this is how the ideal 40 and 50 plus body works. You got to make it stronger. You got to make it more pliable so it doesn't get injured. You have to make it, you have to make sure you're fueling the damn thing, because you can't starve yourself fit. You actually have to repair and recuperate that metabolism. Anyway, sorry, I don't want to diatribe on, but that's our story. At least it's Rob's. And here's the cool thing. Rob's is just one of hundreds of stories that have already gone through this program and are reaching the average of 21 pounds lost in 12 weeks.
Here's something Rob didn't get. He didn't get 7 days free.
That's true.
He did not get 7 days free, and he didn't get me.
That's true too.
Not that
Actually,
he was probably just fine without me, but
here's a funny thing. Rob will be doing this right along with you guys. So he will actually be in the group. You guys get the opportunity to talk with him about working with, well, now he'll get an opportunity to work with Alicia as well. But yeah, you guys will actually get an opportunity to hear from, I don't want to call Rob a horse, but hey, Alicia and I are from Texas. So we have to use Texas colloquialism. So yeah, you'll hear directly from the horse's mouth himself, Mr. Rob, on why this works.
So we've been pouring ourselves today into the program and keep working on it and tweaking it. And one of the things that I'm most excited about is the fact that I finally feel like, I just feel like we're doing the right thing. You know, it feels really good to know that we're going to be just, okay, this is the girly way of saying things, but just kind of loving on people and just pouring great nutrition into their bodies and stop all the vicious cycles and the beating up, the chronically beating up their bodies and their metabolism and their hormone levels and, you know, just all things.
Psychology.
That's right. And that's the biggest part.
And yourself. I get so many people that come into me. And it's funny, women are especially evil to themselves. Like, in all honesty, and this is really where Alicia is going to set this program apart, is teaching you how to get the mental side of things under control in this 7-day program. I see women just a lot coming in, just really being assholes to themselves. And if somebody would treat you the way you treat yourself, they wouldn't be in your life. Like, they would be exit stage left. You would kick them out. Like, there just wouldn't be room for it. So, you know, it's gotten to that point now where you see it over and over again. And so often, and so chronic that you experience people beating themselves up, especially you lovely ladies who I love you guys to death. And that becomes harder to overcome than just your habits of eating and your habits of exercise, because you're coming at it from so many different angles. And Alicia has this most amazing step-by-step process on how to overcome that.
Well, it is the thing that's going to hold you back for the long haul. Because even if you came on for 7 days, or even if you joined us as clients, if you don't get the way of thinking straight and you don't clean up that abuse, then you're not going to make it for the long haul anyway. And so I know it doesn't make me sound really sexy right now, but I promise you that it really is. It's very sexy and very fun, because when you get your confidence back both from the outside, but from the inside as well, life gets really good again. Okay, so we're going to tell you how to sign up. So we have a form, and I'll come back and edit this and put it up here at the top, and I'll put it in the comments so you won't be able to miss it. You can just click on that form, fill it out. It'll go straight to us, and we will add you to this secret private Facebook group. And if you guys have friends that you want to do this with, you pass this video along, get them to sign up too. Everybody's invited. It's free. It's 7 days. And we just want to pour into you guys and just add massive value to your lives and get you guys some great results and wins in the 7 days. And it starts on July 5th. There's our start date. It's official.
It is. And the cool thing is we've got guys sign up now. We are actually capping this. What was the number we said? 100. I think it was 100. I think we capped this at 100 people. And in all honesty, guys, like, when it's free, it's going to go fast. I mean, Alicia and I are actually in the process of going through the thousands of people we've been in contact with over the last few years. And is this the last time we do it? Probably not, but it's probably the last time that we do it where you will get the actual live coaching with us personally.
Right. That is absolutely true.
Yeah. We are developing all of the content as we go. So at this juncture, you're actually getting us coaching you through it.
Not to mention, if you do the group, there will be, besides just us coaching, which is huge. Like Zach said, this is going to be the last time. It's going to be the one and only time that you can do this particular program with us live. This is it. and get the one-on-one that you need, which is why we do have to cap it, because we can't pour into 1,000 people live, one-to-one. So in order to get that, you guys are going to have to be in limited numbers, but you're also going to get the special access up front to, if you decide to do one of the programs that we have down the line and go a little deeper into this, you're going to get special pricing and special bonuses for doing that. So join the challenge, commit to the challenge, make changes in the challenge, see what you like, and see if you want to hang out with us more. Yeah.
Exactly. Guys, remember, lose fat, not faith. We're putting the faith back into the program. We're putting the results back into your program. Lose fat, not faith. Do it in a fraction of the time here at Midlife and beyond.
There you go. All right. See you later.
Bye, guys.